about being ghosted, someone coming back regretting their choices. This next one's called You and You. It's coming out